Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth here from BuyMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of She Makes Club. I'm going to timestamp everything below so you can watch exactly the parts that you want to watch, whether you want to make a photo collage with the app on your phone that I love to use called Phonto, or you want to see how to create these beautiful photo tags for your big hug blanket. I did a big hug blanket part 1 video last week. I put it on the YouTube channel. Go check it out. But also you're going to want to tune into QVC. I'm going to be presenting this blanket and all these tags and more on October 24th, Thursday, in the Q Check noon Eastern time show. You can also check it out on QVC.com or QVC Live on Facebook, or you can come back to the channel later and I will save it in my QVC playlist of other presentations. So you don't want to miss it. But we want to start out by making these photo collages. So let's dive into Phonto. All right, so Phonto is an app I've been using for probably 12 years. I'm going to open it up on my phone and I'm going to click the little camera button there in the middle on the bottom. You can take a picture, pull up your photo library. I'm going to click plain images, and then at the top there's that 2480 by 2000. That's the size. I'm going to change my image size to be that 3:2 ratio in the portrait style. But what's great about Phonto, you can do all kinds of different sizing for social media or square or whatever you want to do. And then you can click the size or the color, that color bar, and I'm going to make it all pure white. And then I'm just going to use that image. Now on the left side there, you can add text and do all kinds of things. But that little 3 lines, that's where you're going to click add image. And it's going to bring up your photo library. And I'm going to pick my photo that I want to use. And then you can do it as a square, a circle, a star. You can do all kinds of different things. But I'm just going to do a simple square. Or you can leave it, in its original size too. But I'm going to size this way down so that it prints really tiny in my 8.5 by 11 printer. I'm going to do like a 75% or 77% sizing, and I'm going to do it in the middle. If I really want it to save the paper, I would do it in the upper left corner, but the way I want to do this, I'm going to just do it in the middle, make sure it prints exactly how I want it to print, and then I'll use my scraps of this printer film for other things. We'll talk about it. So I'm picking all my different pictures that I want to go on this prayer big hug blanket. I can't have a blanket like this and not have at least one picture of Donnie on it. I'm just saying. Of course, I'm including my husband and my family and my kids. And here's our 5-year anniversary photo on the beach. So lots of different options and photos. And I'm just going to then go and print it out. So there's 2 different printers that I have. My Epson ET, my EcoTank 2800. That's what I'm going to print this on for doing my photo paper. But if I wanted to do this in my PictureMate 400 and have a 4x6 photo collage like I do often and I've received questions about, I would make these a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go back in and I'm just going to resize these. I'm going to make them like 150% kind of thing. And make them all the same size and just reposition them again kind of in the center because I would cut them out for a photo collage. And then you can see there are 2 different sizes, and then I can print this one out in my PictureMate 400 and you can see those 2 different sizes there. So this is what it looks like size wise. There's the PictureMate 4x6 photo and there's the 8.5 by 11. Same photos, same thing. Now let's dive into these tags. This is the TransOurDream True Heat Transfer Paper. I love this stuff. I have been using it for a while. You can use it with your Cricut. You can just cut it out by hand like we're going to do today. There's a lot of different ways that you can do it, but it doesn't just have to go on your printer. You can use it with markers and alcohol ink and stamp ink, and it's really cool. So now I'm just going to trim out this transfer paper. And like I said, I'll save these scraps. It's not a big deal. But you could do it in the upper left corner in the Phonto app. That's totally cool. And then you can save this and then like flip it upside down and print it the other way. Have you ever done that trick? That's something you could do too. But I just want to cut these out, and they just peel off their backing paper almost like a sticker, and then you heat set them, which is what we're going to do today. So these are the Big Hug personalizable tags. Again, you can write on them. You can do other iron-ons, HTV, which we do, paint on them, paint markers, I mean, the sky is the limit, and we're going to be doing several more videos on different ways to customize these and how you would customize these. But again, watch QVC. It's going to be fun. Anyway, I'm taking my mini press, and all I need to do, again, is peel them away like a sticker, place them onto my tag. I'm going to grab my little heat mat and just make sure that button closes and it doesn't overlap. And then I just run the easy press right over top of it like an iron. You could also use your Rowenta iron. You could use your full size easy press. You know, there's so many different ways to apply the heat, and actually there's instructions for that inside the transfer packaging. I'll include a link to Amazon where I get this in the description as well. And this is a fun little iron-on heart applique that I got on Amazon as well. So you can iron these on, and it's just another fun, tactile feel, beautiful, customizable way to, again, use these tags on this blanket. So here is the blanket. It's 100% cotton, has 24 little cutout circle openings that these tags go into. It comes with 12 tags with every blanket, but of course you can buy additional tags so you can really dress this up. I've talked about it quite a bit on the last video and will again at QVC. And you can also put multiple tags into one hole if you decide to do that as well. But I have a little bit of everything here, from iron-on HTV to paint markers. This is a fabric marker. Here's other photos that it's a little bit of a different film. Here's more HTV. Just all kinds of different things. There's another one of those iron-on decals, and just writing on verses, prayers, encouraging phrases. The sky is really the limit to how you can custom and personalize each one of these tags to either give as a gift or have as a memory blanket or a prayer vision blanket, or, I mean, really, whatever your heart desires. I think this is the coolest idea, and I hope you'll come check it out tomorrow on QVC. Again, I'm Megan Elizabeth. I hope you'll join us inside She Makes Club. I have a crafters membership where we use crafting and creativity as a tool to process life and live it out boldly with faith and courage. And I just love doing that. I hope you'll come see us, check it out soon. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. You can get in touch with me at any time. I hope you enjoy the moments. Subscribe, like, share. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.